Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can stop Apple Music from playing automatically when connected to Bluetooth. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of this video. So, let's get down to our topic. And in fact, the problem of automatic music playback can be such an embarrassment to many people when you turn on Bluetooth to a speaker, or to headphones, and your music automatically plays right away. In order to avoid this, you'll need to open the phone settings on your iPhone. And then, in the settings, you will need to scroll a little bit to go to the general section. And here you'll need to find a section called AirPlay and Handoff. And here you'll need to find the Handoff subsection. Usually everybody has it in this state. It's active by default. But in order to turn it off, you'll just need to click on the button opposite it. And this will allow you automatic music playback when connected to Bluetooth. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.